I wanted to talk briefly about steganography. Now, steganography, if you're not familiar, is hiding data within either an image or it could be a text file. So, for example, I have a few things here. So, I have two pictures here. They're both JPEGs. Do the property on it. This is a JPEG. It's 9.10 kilobytes. And I have another one here, identical one, or at least it looks identical. It's another JPEG. It's 9.77 kilobytes. If I click on this, there's my image. Click on this one. There's the same image. Now, the thing about that is, it actually has an image hidden inside of it. So let me close this window out here. And I'm going to go to this tab in here. And I am going to go to the steganography tool, or Stego Suite. Okay, let's fire that up here. Okay, so if I go to File and Open, and I'm just going to go to my shared folder here. I'm going to go to It's Ethical. Okay, and I'm going to enter my password. And you can see here, it actually had a message right in there. Let me extract that again. This is a test. So when you're going after certain targets, you may want to keep an eye out for things. It could, whether it's a picture, a video file, a music file. Take a look at those files. Don't just open it. Take a look at the size. Does it look unusual? That can be certain giveaways that they're actually hiding information in a file. Now this can also come in kind of handy for OSINT if you need to hide your files. You can encrypt it, or you could do things like steganography. Now, another quick example of this would be if you ever seen Mr. Robot. Elliot has all these CDs with all this music in there, and it's actually files. Now, what he's probably using is a program called Deep Sound, which is a Windows-based program. And what you do is you can actually embed data into audio files. Let me go to my downloads here, and I'm going to pull this up here. And as you can see here, this audio track has this photo in there. And if I play this file, it plays just like any other audio file. But the thing about these things are, steganography, you typically could hide files within a certain approximate size. For example, Deep Sound will only allow you to, the larger the audio track is, the larger the file you could store. But again, if someone's doing steganography and they're not careful, they may blow up what should be a 1 megabyte file into like a 10 megabyte file. They might be hiding very large files in there. So you do want to kind of keep an eye out for certain files that have odd characteristics. They might be hiding stuff in there. Again, this isn't a tutorial on steganography. That can actually be a whole class in itself. But I did just want to make you aware of being able to hide information within things that look pretty normal and typical, like photos and audio files. Again, this was a quick overview about steganography. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.